Okay,
Countdown, please.
5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Oh my God!
We did it again!
Go, 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 go!
Lynn's taking it back. Parachute didn't open.
Didn't open.
Go, 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 go!
No.
It stayed in the right place, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, what about the other one? Oh, let's wait for the plane.
This one's going to be hilarious.
Okay,
So it's this one?
ready?
Back up, Paige.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Way up there.
Can I do it? 5, 4, 3,
All right, go for it.
2, 1. Let's do this! Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is! I got it! I got it!
There it
I
goes.
got it!
It's just got
I see it! I got it!
falling fast.
It's falling
I
real
got
fast.
it!
I can't see it.
Right there.
I don't got it.
It's in Bryce's yard.
Haha.
It flew nice and straight. There's the other one, they had a second.
Okay, ready?
2, 1.
Oh, that's okay.
Mayday!
There it goes. Yeah.
The first time.
Eli, don't touch it!
Right in the air, too. I only put a small engine on that, though, so it wouldn't.
Oh, I just go with the biggest engine I can find.
Yeah, look what happened.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but it was
It's
marked.
until the second stage, right?
What's that?
It was great for the second stage, and that's when it seemed to fire
Yeah, and then it went
more the opposite
way
direction.
over there.
Yeah.
It's probably in friggin' Rito River by now.
I thought
Or is the Ottawa over there?
the other way.
No, it's Rito, big Rito.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're in decent shape, too.
It's better.
Good launch.
That worked out okay.
Hey guys,
Yeah, that'll come back for another one.
Yeah, a little smoky up around the top there.
That's all right though.
let's do this.